Hey guys, I'm doing my weekly Trader Joe's shopping haul and I'm here to show you everything that I picked up. Today was something special. I'm filming a dessert that is going to be simply amazing. It is a oatmeal chocolate chip cookie bar coming up, made with raisinets and oatmeal milk. Stay tuned for that. But for now, let me just show you what I picked up from Trader Joe's. Lots of new stuff and I'm really excited about those items. I'm looking for things to sort of snack on this week. I didn't have a lot of that going in my house, so I picked up some tzatziki sauce and pico de gallo. For my recipe that I'm making today, I got there's going to be a lot of dessert stuff, so I picked up some vanilla, some quick steel oats. I'm doing a lot of air frying lately, so I wanted an olive oil spray can because I've been using a lot of cooking spray and I thought some olive oil spray would be good. This was new. Risoni legume-based grain alternative. I got 2 of them. I hope it's good. Red lentil risoni. Is it risoni or risoni? I don't know, but I'm gonna eat it either way. I need turkey jerky. I almost ordered a box of it on Amazon yesterday, and then I stopped myself because I said I'm gonna go today and pick up some straight from the store. So I picked up 3 of these. We're going to have a taco night. They didn't have plain corn tortillas. They only had them mixed with wheat, which I thought was really weird. But we ended up getting corn and wheat. We only normally do corn, so this was something that we had to just sort of deal with. But corn tortillas, we're gonna have a tortilla night. My kids eat this every single day for school. Baby Bell. My husband loves these mango and cream bars. If you haven't tried them yet, please give them a shot. Now, I got this for my daughter because I use Rose Water facial toner. I'll drop a link to what I use personally, but I thought this would be a good alternative for teens and tweens. This was $3.99 and it smells absolutely fantastic. Peach salsa is my favorite salsa on the planet. Trader Joe's is the only place to get it. Feta cheese to mix with some cucumbers and tomatoes and a little olive oil and vinegar is a win. The infamous 99-cent bread. Orange, peach, mango, that's what my son picked up. Bananas, cucumbers, guacamole for lunch. This is going into our chocolate bars that we're making today, as well as the sugar and the brown sugar. And I'm potentially going to add chocolate chips, but I'm not so sure about that. Again, I got some yellow peppers to snack on, some chips to snack on. Smoothies for lunch, Parmesan cheese. These are my favorite things on the planet, the garlics that stay in your freezer and you use them whenever you want. Cucumbers, we have some shredded cheese. My son wanted tortellini. Artichokes, I love baking these. You can put a little sesame seeds on them if you want, or you could just put some olive oil. I need to have a little bit more cold pressed juice, regular juice in my life. I am not still feeling well, believe it or not, so I figured I don't have enough vitamins and nutrients in my life, so I figured I'd have these one a day just to try to get some more vitamins going in my system. My daughter wants to start having avocado toast and bread and stuff like that for school, so I got her this. She can have one a day and make her sandwich at lunch when she wants. These Brussels sprouts are the best Brussels sprouts ever. They're actually made, imported from Belgium, as you can see. Flash frozen in Belgium. Just roast them and you will be so very happy. And then some oranges round out the whole entire mix. All in, this was around $130, including some Altoids that my son picked up. It was a little bit expensive. It was over what we normally plan to spend on a regular basis, but I have to make this dessert for my blog and I had to go pick up a bunch of stuff. Brand gave me a stipend to do that, so that is included in the mix and I'm not really upset about it because it's just part of my job. So looking forward to making that dessert for you guys. Looking forward to eating my fun snacks planned for the week, and until next time.